been trying to work some exercise into my housework. And 1 and 2 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 and 1 and 2.
Come on, hurry!
What is going on with Mom, Kenny?
Keep it down. You never know who might be around listening in.
All right, tell us.
Here's the deal. What is it, Max?
Oh, Vigoroth!
A what? Oh yeah, I wonder if that's the same Vigoroth that beat Pikachu.
I've never been inside of Dad's greenhouse before when he wasn't in here with me. It's kind of cool, huh?
This greenhouse is where Dad keeps all of his gym Pokemon.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
It's great to see you again, Vigoroth. Hi there.
Dad never let us watch any of the battles in his gym.
Huh?
He was afraid that we might distract the challengers.
Well, that makes sense, but not being able to watch your dad in action must have been frustrating for you guys.
Not really. We understood. We knew from the very beginning that a good gym leader is a strict gym leader, and he always had time to play with us after his battles were all done.
Well, sorry to interrupt your stroll down memory lane.
Look, guys, a Slackoth.
A Slackoth?
Slackoth, the slacker Pokemon. Slackoth is generally found sleeping, and very few ever witness it in motion.
That's cool. I've never seen a Slackoth wide awake before. It seems like it really likes you, Max. Come on, I've got to tell you guys something. It's important.
Look, guys, it's a Slacking.
A Slacking?
That's great.
Slacking, the lazy Pokemon. Slacking lives most of its life asleep, eating only grasses that grow within its reach. I remember Dad always telling me about how Slacking are a total pain in the neck to raise and take care of.
Probably lives up to its name, lazy Pokemon. Yeah, right? But once you get them into battle, it's intense because Slacking are so powerful. You guys, there's something I've been trying to tell you and I just can't wait anymore.
Go ahead, Kenny.
You see, I think there's something weird going on with your mom and dad. What?
What are you talking about?
Well, your dad is at the Pokemon Center every single day lately, and it seems like your mom is always mad and yelling at him about nothing.
So a lot of people go to the Pokemon Center every day, and a lot of people yell.
Yeah, if you want to put it that way.
'Cause that's the way it is.
Well, I don't like all this tension either. After all, your dad is my boss. But there's more. Every time your mom hears the word beautifly, she gets all weird and upset.
Why would Mom get upset about that?
I have no idea. I don't know, it doesn't make sense, and she won't talk about it either.
Hey, I finally found you. Hi, Ash. How can you get lost in a greenhouse?
I don't need to see another shrub for as long as I live.
Huh? Hey, look.
Talk about your good timing. No, let's talk about stealing Pikachu. Hold on, I got a better idea.
Which is?
Okay, this place is crawling with Vigoroth, Slackoth, and Slackhand. So we catch all 3 evolutionary stages and give them to the boss.
Why are they preferable to Pikachu?
Imagine the boss trying to get out of bed early one morning. Bummer, I just can't wake up. Isn't there anything to look forward to in my sad life? Oh, and that's when his Vigoroth comes to the rescue with a big fat hug. Good morning. Thank yous for making my day.
Enough day making! I'm glad I'm awake, but ain't there a more gentle way without breaking my back?
Then he sees the other 2. My Slackoth and Slacking. You guys always help me to feel relaxed. Then he'll say, since Meowth and his friends gave me such a great present, I must do the same for them.
Come on!
Who's number 1? Who's having fun? Give up! It's us!
So, ready for success?
Yes!
Wow, about that.
What? Norman's where?
I just saw him over at the Pokemon Center talking to Nurse Joy. Think she must have been helping him with one of his Pokemon. Right, Pikachu?
Pikachu.
I knew it.
What? What's wrong? What are we gonna do, you guys?
I know! Ask me what I'm going to do! Yep, this is a job for the original Love Doctor, I'm afraid. That's me! Later.
This could be bad.
It's fine. Brock knows what he's doing.
But he calls himself the